The diet of these woodpeckers include carpenter ants and other species too. In fact, some studies showed that this made up 40% of their diet, and some individuals even had up to 97%. Wood-boring beetle larvae, termites, and other insects such as flies, spruce budworm, caterpillars, cockroaches, and grasshoppers are consumed too. And they also eat a small amount of wild fruits and nuts, including sumac, holly, dogwood, cherries, and acorns. Pileated woodpeckers make a loud thunking noise as they hammer their bill onto trees. They do this to test the wood for soft sections that they can drill into or tear apart as they try reaching the tasty morsels inside. Sometimes they even gouge